Illuminate your love, bedroom lighting secrets. Creating a romantic atmosphere in your bedroom begins with the right lighting. It's all about setting the mood and enhancing the space with soft, inviting illumination that invites relaxation and intimacy. Start by selecting warm light bulbs. The gentle glow mimics the natural hues of a sunset, creating a cozy, romantic ambience. Avoid harsh white lights that can make the space feel clinical. Consider installing dimmer switches. They allow you to adjust the brightness according to your mood, offering flexibility to shift from practical lighting to a soft, dreamy glow with just a turn of the knob. String lights are a charming addition to any romantic bedroom setup. Hang them around the headboard or drape them along the ceiling to add a whimsical touch that feels both magical and intimate. Candles are quintessential for romance. Scatter them around the room, prioritizing areas like the nightstand or windowsill. Opt for natural scents like vanilla or lavender to enhance the calming, romantic atmosphere. Wall sconces can offer subtle, diffuse light that complements the room's overall vibe. Choose designs that reflect your personal style, whether it's modern, vintage, or rustic, to seamlessly blend with your decor. Fairy lights in jars or bottles create a captivating visual element. They provide a soft sparkle that adds depth and intrigue to the room, perfect for a romantic evening spent unwinding. Use layered lighting to create depth and interest. Combine floor lamps, table lamps, and wall fixtures to ensure the room is evenly lit without overpowering the intimate ambience you're aiming for. For a touch of elegance, consider a small chandelier. It acts as a focal point and casts beautiful shadows, enhancing the room's romantic feel. Choose one with dimmable bulbs for added versatility. Fabric lampshades soften light and diffuse it gently throughout the room. Opt for shades in warm colors like blush or cream to maintain the romantic theme while adding a stylish element to your decor. Accent lights can highlight specific features such as artwork or architectural details. This adds a layer of sophistication and creates points of interest, drawing the eye and enhancing the room's overall allure. Let strip lights under the bed frame or along shelves provide a modern twist. They cast a soft glow that creates a floating effect, adding a unique, contemporary layer to the romantic lighting scheme. Lavish lanterns with intricate patterns can cast beautiful shadows across the walls. This interplay of light and shadow can evoke a sense of mystery and enchantment, perfect for setting a romantic mood. Finally, remember that romance is personal. Experiment with these ideas and tailor them to your tastes, creating a sanctuary that reflects your unique style and offers a perfect escape from the world.